Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets. Today I'm going to do a video of my unboxing of my brand new 2018 MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch model, i7, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of ROM. This is my absolute first MacBook Pro that I've used. This is going to be a huge learning curve because typically I use PCs and Microsoft. This is my Microsoft Surface Pro. I use it for my accounting classes. I love it for the pen, and it's just an all-around great computer slash tablet, which me personally, I don't really consider this a tablet. It's just too great to be a tablet. But anyways, enough of my rambling. Let's get to the unboxing. I ordered this off of B&H Photo. I got this for about $2,400. I ordered off of B&H Photo because there's no shipping or taxes. It comes in a brown box as well as a smaller brown box. And then you have, of course, the original Apple packaging. Here you have it, the space gray MacBook Pro with the touch bar. Let's take a little look around the box and we see that we have MacBook Pro. Beautiful. Turning it around. We have the Apple logo. And let's get this open with my trusty dusty knife. And I really do like this knife. Got it off of Amazon. It gets the job done. So gently I will cut the plastic off the boxing. Here are the specs. Just covering up the serial number. Okay, let's unbox this beauty. Here we go. And there she is, space gray 13-inch MacBook Pro. I like the easy pull tabs that they have to make it easy to get the device out of the box. So picking it up for the very first time, it feels pretty light, really light, nice cold feel to it. We also in the box have the charging cable. So we'll pull this out and we see that, let's see, it is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. The cable seems like it is fairly long in length. Okay, so we are going to pull this out, and underneath that we have, it looks like the charging brick with a nice pull tab for easy access to pull the charging brick out of the box as well. This is a pretty large charging brick, so let's pull the plastic off and let's see. So you would actually pull that out to plug it in the wall, your Apple branding. And we are shown that it is 61 watt USB-C power adapter. And in here, I'm pretty sure it's your normal manuals and maybe stickers. So let's get to the main event. And I am going to pull the plastic off of this device carefully, slowly, lovingly. It's so satisfying to pull plastic off of new devices. I don't know if I'm the only one, but it's just satisfying. Look at that lovely Apple logo. So let's turn this around. But before so, you have 4 nice grippy type of feet for no slipping. So opening the lid up, it looks like it automatically turns on the MacBook. So it's booting up right now. Okay, so then it's asking for the language preference. So I will go ahead and choose English and go to next. Takes a little while. So I'm going to select United States and continue It's asking to select the type of keyboard. Now my Wi-Fi network. So data and privacy. We'll go to continue. So it's asking to transfer information to this Mac. Now I have to type in my Apple ID. Then I get a verification code, which I will type in now. And this will come from the iPad. So terms and conditions as always. And I will say that, okay, I agree. I have to kind of get used to the trackpad. It's a little different than what I'm used to. As I said, this is my very first Mac, anything, MacBook, any type of Apple computer. This is my very first. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my information. Now setting up the account. I don't have much iCloud space left actually, so I'll have to deal with it. Now to set up the Touch ID, which I think is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. And as you see right here on the touch bar, it says lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. Okay, so I'm doing this repeatedly, and this should try to learn my fingerprint. So as you see, it's not as fast as some of the mobile devices, the cell phones, but it wants to make sure that it is very accurate. So we should almost be done here. A few more times and we should be good to go. And that we are. It says continues. So I'll hit continue. It's saying that I can do Apple Pay with this using the Touch ID. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, True Tone display. I don't think you can see the difference, but I went ahead and let that be. So now we're setting up your Mac. I would say this setup is probably about the same as setting up a PC. And look at that. Beautiful. So I got a decent amount of battery right out the box. There's the camera, your Finder, file, edit, all that good stuff. Locations seem a little different than what I'm used to on the PC. Backlit keys. And look at this massive trackpad. This thing is huge, but it's a beauty though. So on my iPad, it was telling me that someone signed in to a Mac. So that's some nice type of protection and security measures. So I can appreciate that. The keys feel a little different. They don't seem like they have as much travel as what I'm used to. And messing with the trackpad, it's smooth. But like I said, this is going to be a learning curve for me. So that is the unboxing and the quick setup of my MacBook Pro 2018 13-inch model. Here is a cover that I got. It's a Pro case cover from Amazon. So that's about one of the only accessories that I got. I just want to keep it nice and scratch free. So this is a nice addition. Also, along with the case from Pro Case, I purchased this keypad cover, and as you see, it says Pro Case right there. I also have the Acer Predator Helios 300, and this laptop right here I strictly use for the Oculus Rift for VR gaming. So I try to have all my laptops serve as a individual purpose. So the Predator will serve as VR gaming, my Microsoft Surface Pro will be for schooling, and my MacBook Pro will be for video editing. And yeah, as well as I can't forget about what started me here, and it's the iPad Pro using LumaFusion video editing software, which I think is great for on the go. I also purchased Final Cut Pro for the MacBook Pro, and it is a learning curve. It's not as easy to use as LumaFusion, I think, but I will get used to it. So this is the unboxing and quick setup of the MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.